Hey guys, I gotta see what Troy's got done here today. We just got back from out in the woods, me and him. After 5 we went out to do a job. Gotta get them Ponzi guys rolling, you know. Had to go install a node into a head because it crashed. So, you know, I gotta say this. Here's another one of those things that I'll brag on. Ponza. I drove an hour and a half. They put it on the bench, said it's junk. They reprogrammed another one. We brought the computer with. I was back in the machine, and daylight savings started yesterday, so guess what? It's lighter out, so we decided to leave at 5, which was 4. Is that slow time or fast time? I'll have to check in on that. I just called the owner. It's, I think, 7 o'clock. I said, "You ready to go for morning?" That's service, man. That is service. I'm just going to keep telling you guys that. Had some nice couple gentlemen here today with that old girl. We got everything. Oh, he's got it in there. We got everything dissected, bisected, and resected, and put together, and it's a fine-tuning thing now. Controls are operational. Things are looking good for a Monday, if you know what I mean. And like I said, young man here, oh yeah, see, he's getting everything prepped. Seals in. Nice. He's got this he figured out what he had to have to shim it. I can't turn it over because I'm lazy and old and decrepit. Yeah, he's got her all installed. Cool. So we went and did that. Was another reason we did it after 5, so we could continue fresh start tomorrow. I got to go out in the woods and work on a Fabtech head that's not measuring right. It's measuring wrong. Oh, look it. I gotta take this to the fab shop. You can't tell probably on the camera, but my youngest, he's a pretty big kid, and I think he just plumb wore that thing out and bent it all to you know what. So anyways, that's a short one for today. I don't know much else. Just wanted to say hi, and things are progressing in this direction and that direction, which are both big, long projects. So with any luck, and the weather is going to break this week. We're going to have 50s on Wednesday, 50s and rain, so I'm guessing they're going to post roads and the weight limits will go on. Same thing, post roads, weight limits. And everything's going to turn to mud real quick here, so that's where we're at. So thanks for watching, all you guys, and if you ever want to check something out, look in the corner, and I don't know if it's on there because I got an idea going on that we were going to touch on the other day, but look down on my about page. I got a I don't want to say it, but I got a Patreon thing going on there, but just go click on it and watch the video on there. I want to get some feedback from you guys. That's all I'm going to say. Just watch that video on my Patreon page, because I'm not looking for handouts, but just watch that video on there. It's kind of, I want to see what you guys think, just as a feeler, you know, just let me know. So anyways, that's it. That's enough. 7 o'clock, time to go get something to eat, take a shower. See you, bye.